Fundamental to education is developing the child to be leaders of tomorrow. Nation is built on strong leadership, and it's only leaders who can take this country forward. It's also important equally, whilst developing leaders, to create the world-class citizens for this country. It means inculcating not just technical education, moral education, interpersonal skills, social skills, the sense of discipline, the sense of cleanliness, all that which creates in a perfect individual. Because if they are clean from childhood, they will not stand dirt around. If they are disciplined from childhood, they will not stand indiscipline. If they are tolerant from childhood, they will not be intolerant in future. If across communities, if they are spiritual from childhood, they will continue to embrace spirituality as they go on in life. And if they have this flair for music, and that's inculcated in childhood, they will appreciate music, art, culture. So it's far beyond technical education, and that's what is the need of the hour. Okay, let me start with the first part. I'm clear as I observe children that the shape of the human mind evolves during childhood. From the time a child starts crawling, learning to walk, the first words of a child, all of it is embedded from the environment in which the child is operating. And therefore, it's extremely important that the child is brought up in that environment. And those qualities which are embedded, it's not easy for those to be removed at a later date. And that is critical. And I have just seen Sai Angan. It's outstanding. Fundamental to any learning is creating the environment. Creating the environment for learning so there is joy in learning. Sai Angan has all those qualities. It has that ambience which creates a joy. And frankly, if I were between 2 and 8 years old, I wouldn't go home at all. I would rather remain in Sai Angan. It has got everything which is required. And the level of cleanliness, the way of teaching, shall I say, interpersonal skills which are being taught, the visual skills which are being taught. All of this evolves in childhood. Outstanding. I can only use the word outstanding, and I can only say, I wish I were a child again. It is true that India has currently close to 1.3 billion, almost 1.2 plus. And India is the world's largest economy in PPP terms, and there's a whole host of potential for India. But my advice to all these children is be world class. There are no longer any boundaries. There are only political boundaries. You should be world class, just like how Sai, the school here, or the Sai Angan is a world class institution. That has to be. If you don't have the ability and the intent to absorb the best in the world, you will never be the best. Look at currently, as I stand and speak to you today, where is India in the Olympics? Nowhere. Because we don't want to be world class, or we didn't aspire to be world class. That we need to create from childhood. You can't produce Olympic gold medalists overnight. It has to come from within, and that aspiration has to be there to be world class and make a mark in the world. And that's my advice to you. Be world class, embrace the best in the world, and there is continuous learning. There is no such thing that learning has ended and then your enjoyment in life begins. It's always a mix. Thank you for opening my eyes, and it's been an awesome experience. Thank you.